Beach, I think. Clearwater and Dunedin. So I'm going to go do that and see where we end up on the beach. Okay. Anything you want to say? Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Beaver takes the top off the Jeep, part 2. Coming at you hot. Beaver's new Jeep. Total upgrade from the white one, right? Am I right? We're in Dunedin and we're gonna go to Bon Appetit and have some oysters on the water. We're on the River Rapids. I don't remember what it's called. It's pretty chill. I think the Volcano Bay one was wilder.
It was.
Now, here, we need our capture for the video. Now let's do one of always have to do a summertime Splash Harbor video. Our very own small little water park. That was cool. It's my birthday. Shalala. Yep. Catch you on YouTube maybe, right?
Hey, let me, what channel?
We have a couple. My fiance's awesome documentary on Florida Babes Travel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Check it out. Let's see if we're on there.
Yeah, man. Check it out.